Alright everyone, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, 2025 at 16:07. And today, we have our Day 2 outlook. I do apologize for the delay here, but I got distracted by something else, which evidently kind of threw me off and just never got to this earlier. So now we'll go ahead and do the Day 2 outlook video. Everything loaded? Yes, they did. Okay, so, tomorrow, we have a slight risk for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. We do have a marginal risk that extends from Texas through Oklahoma, Arkansas, into Kansas, Missouri, into a little bit of Mississippi, even out in Louisiana, Tennessee, Missouri, Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, and then a little bit of Ohio here. As you can see, the marginal risk does extend through there. So let's go ahead and see what cities we've got in the risk area. We have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under a slight, and San Antonio, Indianapolis, Austin, Memphis, and Oklahoma City having a marginal risk for tomorrow. So anyway, let's go ahead and deep dive and see where we are for tomorrow's risks. Going into tomorrow's tornado risk, we've got a 5% for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. We have a 2% for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas as well. So those three states, just a teeny tiny little bit of Louisiana there has the 2%. So, we do have Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under the 5%, and Little Rock, Waco, Abilene, Wichita Falls, and Lawton under the 2%. So I definitely will say for the 5%, you could see a brief EF1, maybe an EF2 tornado possible. Excuse me. Or 2% could see a EF0. Excuse me. Maybe an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow. Okay, let's go into the Day 2 wind outlook. We do have the 15% for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. We do have the 5% that extends from Texas through Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, Kansas, Missouri, a little bit of Mississippi, Tennessee, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio, for the states that might be seeing some severe weather tomorrow. So, anyway, some cities that might see some severe weather tomorrow: Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under a 15%, and San Antonio, Indianapolis, Austin, Memphis, and Oklahoma City under a marginal. So, a 5%. So we do have the 15% area, you could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible. In 5%, you could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful, that could be a possibility tomorrow. Going into tomorrow's hail risk, we've got a 15% mainly for Texas, but parts of Oklahoma, southern Oklahoma, do have that 15%. We do have the 5% for parts of Oklahoma and much of Texas also. Also, a tiny bit of Arkansas does have it as well. We have this separate one over here that encompasses parts of Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and Kentucky, and a little bit of Ohio there. So, yes, we do have that potential tomorrow, too. So, cities we've got going on tomorrow is Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland under a 15%. And San Antonio, Austin, Oklahoma City, St. Louis, and Cincinnati have a 5%. So for the 15% area, you could see damaging hail of 1 to 3 inches possible, and 5% you could see 1 to 2 inch hail possible. So please be mindful, that could be possible for you tomorrow. Going on to the summary for tomorrow's outlook: scattered severe thunderstorms are possible on Wednesday, centered on, moreover, central Texas to eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. Large hail, damaging wind, and a few tornadoes will be possible with thunderstorm activity. So there you have it. There's tomorrow's outlook. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's Day 1 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather event. As you saw through this video, my allergies were much better in this video. So Anyway, I will see you tomorrow when this turns into the day 1 outlook. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe.